the third day. He was crucified and thorns were put on his head just for me. Who is he? The title of my poem for today is Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? He is the omnipotent, the omnipresent, and the omniscient one, which means he's the all-powerful. He's everywhere at every time, and he knows everything that we do, think, or say. Different kinds of people have different ways of calling him. Here in Ghana, in the Greater Accra region, he's the Atana Numo, the Wokwelo, the Wobolole, the Hewalechemi Fefe. In the Ashanti and the Eastern region, he is the thecophq, the Australia Pompami, the Ototrobunsu, the Amaria, the Amampa. In the Volta region, he is the Hoseto, the Mauno, the Helolo, the Dela, the Abiskafinola, etc. When we leave Ghana and go to Nigeria, he's the Ubaniji, the Sarikin Salmama, the Shine the Shineke, the Ekumedike, the Ike Napa, and so many others they call him. In China, he's the Sunga Oshkokusha the Buddha, the Apura the Buddha. In South Africa, he's the Yao, the Tulu, the Amenu, the Shamba, and the Tukuli. And last destination for today will be France. So sadly. And France, il est l'omniscient, l'omnipotent. C'est lui qui nous protège vraiment. C'est lui qui nous pouvoir. C'est lui qui a protégé le homme de l'enfant. Jordan Bush à 50 ans tout au long. C'est lui qui a continué à faire